Finally, guys, after like 2 years I've been living here, it's time to clean up the windows. There you go. Hi, that's how they clean the windows here. See, it's pretty good job. I got a bit dangerous, but let me ask him. 你不害怕吗？你不害怕吗？
不害怕。
啊，谢谢啊。对，真厉害，牛逼，慢点。God, guys, so dangerous. It's here. There's another guy upstairs. It's here. Oh my god. Bedroom. Oh yeah, they clean up already here. This is the other wing. 小心啊！谢谢。So dangerous. Okay, guys. So that's how they clean the windows here in China. It happens mostly like once a year. They say twice, but to be honest, I've been living here since more than 2 years, and I never seen this is the first time. So because it's quite polluted here, and we live there is a park downstairs, so it's pretty easy to get dust and all of these things. But can you imagine like windows that need to clean? Look at this building. Basically this is like my compound, you know, it's there is a big park inside, and yeah, so those are the towers. Alright guys, just wanna show you here how they clean the windows. It's pretty uncommon, so I think it's pretty fun. Hope you like, and see you in the next video.